Think you're a true car enthusiast? Put your skills to the test and see if you can name all 5 of these vintage masterpieces. Only the sharpest eyes and keenest memories will score a perfect, tattered 10-10. Challenge yourself and play along. Let's see if you've got what it takes to be a classic car expert. This car's bold tail fins and futuristic design define the late 1950s, capturing the essence of the space age. What car is it? A. Chrysler 300C, B. Buick Century, C. Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, D. Ford Thunderbird. Correct answer, C. Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Known for its unique step-down design, this car was a leader in style and innovation during the late 1940s. What car is it? A. Hudson Hornet, B. Nash Ambassador, C. Kaiser Special, D. Ford Custom Deluxe. Correct answer, A. Hudson Hornet. This car was one of the first to feature the iconic Tri-5 design, and it became a symbol of American prosperity in the 1950s. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Bel Air, B. Ford Fairlane, C. Dodge Coronet, D. Mercury Monterey. Correct answer, A. Chevrolet Bel Air. A true 1940s icon, this car introduced a sleek, streamlined design and was a favorite for its Art Deco styling. What car is it? A. Hudson Commodore, B. Packard Clipper, C. Studebaker Champion, D. Oldsmobile 98. Correct answer, Packard Clipper. This post-war luxury car was famous for its bold Dagmar bumper designs and was a status symbol of the 1950s. What car is it? A. Cadillac Series 62, B. Lincoln Zephyr, C. Buick Roadmaster, Chrysler New Yorker. Correct answer, A. Cadillac Series 62.